everybody. I wanted to come on today and say hi and to check in with my friends here and share what I've been loving this winter. And as you know, I only make a video when I have some things to share, so not too often. But I did have quite a few little things here to share today. And the first thing I wanted to share, I had gotten my hair trimmed last month, and my hairdresser suggested that I use a blow dryer with this type of a bristle. It has a plastic bristle, and she said that the one I'd been using, it had the bristles that are pointy. She said that was giving my hair breakage. So she said to use this type, and this is from Revlon, and I've been loving this. And the funny thing is, I had one of these many years ago, and I thought it didn't work good, but I've discovered that I think I was using it wrong because I did not use a hair product with it. So this is the L'Oreal Weightless Blow Dry Primer. This is what makes all the difference in the world to keep my hair smooth when I blow dry it. I didn't straighten my hair. That's the other thing my hairdresser said, to not use a straightener very often because that is damaging. So the combination of these two, I've been loving, and I haven't needed to use my straightener. Now my hair's not perfect, but for just being home during the day like I am, it's okay. I'm very happy with it. My hair's not puffing out like it normally would. So that's the first thing I wanted to share. The second thing I've been loving, this is called Grande pout, and I learned about this from my friend Cindy, and her channel I think is Cindy Lifestyle and More. I'll link it below. I bought this from Macy's online. Now it's not the most inexpensive. It was on sale, so I think it was maybe $25, which is, you would say, a lot for this little thing. However, you only need the size of like a piece of rice, like this little, and it will keep your lips hydrated all day long. So I think this is going to last me at least a year. So with putting that in perspective, I think this is a really good product, and I would highly recommend it. Now, the second thing I want to share, I've been trying new things from Skin Script. As you know, my daughter is an esthetician, and she does sell this line and recommend it. So the first thing for winter I've been loving is this cucumber hydration toner. And what I like about this, it is a spritz. So you can use this when you get out of the shower. You could use it anytime during the day, and it's very hydrating. I think the first ingredient is aloe vera in the top. I think, I don't have my glasses on, but it is got the aloe vera in it, and it has the cucumber. It's super hydrating. Sometimes when you use a toner, your face feels dry. No, not with this. You can use it any time of the day, and I really am enjoying this. And the second thing that I did try from her, my daughter, I bought this from her. It is the Skin Script Peptide Eye Cream. And this also is very hydrating. Again, you only need the size of maybe a little bit of a half of a pea to do both eyes. And this is super hydrating, and it has the peptides. What I like about this, it's super hydrating for one. And for two, I was telling my daughter the other day, I had a tiny little bump or milia on my eye, and I noticed the other day it's gone. And I think it's from using this. Now I can't see that for sure, but it disappeared. So I really would highly recommend this if you can get it from an esthetician or online. I would, again, highly recommend that. And I just dropped it. The next two things I want to recommend are from CeraVe. Now, this is called the Acne Control Gel. Occasionally, I'll get a tiny little mark, a little pimple, and this clears it up very fast. I got this at Ulta, and I've been very happy with it. So again, another product I've been loving. And the next two products I want to talk about are from Roche Posay. This one is called a cicaplast gel, and the way I use this, it is just a hydrating gel that I use over my moisturizer, or maybe if my skin's feeling a little bit dry, I use like maybe, again, a pea-size amount, and I rub my fingers together and put it all over my skin for just an extra layer of hydration. And the next thing I wanted to say is from La Roche Posay also. It's called the Double Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 50. And this one too, I really enjoy as a daily moisturizer. It makes your face feel moisturized, but not greasy. And it has the SPF in it, which I know during the summer, I should add another layer of SPF. But this one I also got at Ulta, and I do really enjoy this. So those are the things I wanted to share with my friends today. Let me know if you've tried these, or if you would consider trying them, what you think. And that's all I have to share today. And I look forward to hearing your comments, and thank you for watching. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.